Meet Edward, who lives in Covina. Around 9 months ago, he was scrolling through memes and cute cat videos on social media when his iPad mini fell from his hand and shattered. Devastated, he was desperately searching for a solution until you stumbled upon iTech Xpress. As Edward was intrigued about them, so he browsed iTechXpressInc.com. He discovered that they repair and replace iPad mini glass, as well as Apple computers and smart devices. They offer affordable, high-quality repair, parts, and service to Glendora and Los Angeles County. They also fix Macs, MacBooks, iPhones, and iPods, so it's not just the iPads that you can bring in. They will even custom build a PC or Mac to your specifications, and they fix iPhones and Samsungs from top to bottom. If there are issues with Apple's EFI, they can deal with those as well. Finally, Edward called them at 626-777-4747 and discussed his requirements, as he found them very helpful in this regard. If you are also looking for something similar in Covina, contact iTech Xpress today.